1 month ago, we announced the very exciting news that we are going to be moving into our van to take another epic adventure around Europe. Since then, we've been pretty busy. We've sold our house, stripped out the van, and are now working against the clock to get it finished for full-time van life starting next month. But before we show you the progress we've made on the van, we'll dive right into some Lake District beauty with our 4th Wainwright of the year, Catbells. Look at this! We only just left the car park. Sheep, yeah.
Ba ba ba.
Barbars. More rocks.
You have to sort of remind yourself, like, if we were in Capel, what do? You walk in the backfields.
Well, that's it, isn't it?
Within an hour, where are you? Flatford Mill, with hordes of people. Look at this. Insane.
Just Richard expressing his love for Suffolk again.
Boo!
So this is what happens when we walk. Me and Jack find these guys and we catch up with them. Just chilling out.
Chilling out, yep.
Taking a rest.
Just relaxing. Hey, mister. Legs are achy. Oh.
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you.
Here we are, in the beautiful wilderness of the Lake District. The peace and tranquility is like nowhere else in the UK. Except for this walk, which is bloody busy.
Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me, we could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious.
Right then, gang. Let's go this way. Escaping the hordes. Escaping, that's a big word, Teddy. Well done. Jeez.
There we are. Had enough, haven't we? Too many people.
You get to the lakes to escape the crowds, and typically we timed it when there was a race on.
Yeah. Not great. Lots of people coming down. Well, going up as we were going down, and yeah. So we're just
And
now.
not many people giving way for the kids.
No.
Yeah.
Well, it's a race, isn't it?
It's a race, very selfish.
Every man for himself there.
Oh, that was lots of women as well. Very sexist.
Okay.
That's not very modern of you, darling.
I'm very sorry.
Yeah.
So back to the van build. First up was our water tank.
What we've done here is we've fitted this bit of 12mm. That's gone in. We've got battens just leading on from these struts, just coming down. So we've got battens there, and then just straight into the cross beams there. Create this little frame just to support the weight that end of our water tank, and then just create this little sort of platform there. And what we now need to do is figure out how these go on and see if we can get these on. So that should just go in there like that. We'll just mark it up, get the screws in, and then get those bolted on. Lovely.
There we are. How was it?
Yeah, no, that wasn't too bad. So that's the water tank all in. It's as I said earlier, it's a wheel arch one, so that's all the fittings, all the brackets on. Not plumbed in or anything like that, but it's there, which is good.
In position. Good. Something's fitted.
Position.
That's what we want.
In position. So these are our bed struts. These are going to come over about there somewhere.
There we are.
This is going to be Charlie's little bed.
All taped out at the bottom there.
All taped out, so I'm going to frame it and then cut ply to fit in there, and then we'll have a drawer or something over the top.
Now, is that the next job, or is it the shower?
No, shower's definitely not the next job.
Shower's not. No, forget the shower.
No, I'm going to box this in.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to have a sort of box this in, and then I can box Charlie's bed in. And then the electrics are going to go there. Trauma boiler. I think the only place I can really fit the trauma boiler, I think, is here.
Okay.
I don't want it there because it's right above the electrics, which isn't quite right. So,
Well, shall we get Charlie in and see if we can fit him in that gap down there and see what he thinks? Charlie! Where is he? Where's Charlie? He's in the garden. Excuse the messy house. It's the weekend. There's Charlie. Charlie. Wait there. Wait there. Wait there. You gonna come and have a look? Come on in. Here he comes. Hey. Hey, mister.
right, see? Sit down then. Sit down. Oh. Silly dog.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. It's okay.
What
It's
did you do?
okay.
Did you bump your head? Silly mutt.
Gonna have a look in here, Charlie. Come here. There we are. Lie down in here. Lie down.
Hello.
Oh, there's going to be plenty of space.
Watch your head. This is going to be your little bedroom, buddy. You're going to have the best bedroom, I think. You're actually the only one having a bedroom.
Yeah, well,
That's my cup of tea. Leave that.
to be fair, he likes curling up anyway, doesn't he?
Yeah,
He
go on,
doesn't.
sit down then. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down.
Well,
So that's
the
going to be your
glasses.
little bed. Look, there's plenty of room in there. It's huge.
Yeah.
So that's Charlie's bed all in. Quite a big area. We wanted him to have a good bit of comfort because he doesn't really like driving too much. So nice big bed. We're going to put a load of vent holes in here, a load of vent holes just all over the place to get that ventilation around the van, but also the rear garage is going to be the coolest place in the van, so that'll just bring a bit of that air through on the warmer days. Just give Charlie a just to make sure it's not too hot. So yeah, that's done. This area here is going to be storage. We're going to make the bed so it's going to be on gas struts, so it's going to just come up slightly. And this is measured at a tin of beans, so tin of bean height, perfect. So yeah, we're going to have there's plenty of little storage there for food, all the rest. Still plenty of head height for Charlie in there. Yeah, so next we're doing, I'll put some holes in, as I said, and then I might get started on this side and get all this panelled up. Yeah, still plenty to do.
Good start though. Good start. There's
start.
one bed down.
It's one bed down, Charlie's bed down.
That looks cozy.
It's really nice and big for him, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good size.
It's massive.
So this is your thing.
Really good size. I think he'll like it.
I think he will.
It's nice that he has his actual own space this time.
Yeah.
Good. Well done. So I just need to make his proper actual bed bit. Get a waterproof sheet, sort that out, and then get a cover on. We also installed an awning on our van, although we're not sure this will be able to stay once our pop-top roof is fitted. Join us again next week as we work our way through our big to-do list to see what jobs we can get ticked off. Remember to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.